have this quality that we keep criticizing everything around us. We are always cribbing that this is missing in our country, we do not have these facilities. So, this Republic Day, we decided to ask ourselves and the people around us the following questions. We asked these questions to our friends who belong to the same age group as us, and we got some really unpredictable answers. Let us see what they have to say.
Talking about the Indian economy, we all are very much aware that a lot of money is being outflowing from India. So, what we can do is we can stop purchasing the international brands or the international products for the day to day uses. I know it's not possible for each and every sector, but it is possible for some of the sectors. So, we can contribute towards a better India by being Indian and buying Indian.
It is time that India realizes how to respect people, no matter what religion, diversity, sex, where they belong from, where they come from. But we really need to respect people and give them dignity, love that they deserve, and also respect for the job that they do. So we should really not look down on people who are earning less or who come from less economic background, but we need to respect them and treat them with dignity.
Hi guys, I am an athlete. So as you all know that in today's time, every age group people are facing some problem, be it diabetes, cholesterol, hypertension, etc. At my end, to contribute to our country, India, I can take an initiative to help my society and create awareness for the health. So I can guide people to do some walking, jogging, skipping, running, etc. and to maintain their diet, and they can take nutritious diet. One more thing I would like to discuss, that women are not that much encouraged in sports. The women, please do not think that you are beneath someone. Believe in yourself and everything will come your way.
My suggestion to make India a better country would be to be a little more empathetic towards street dogs, especially in this winter season where they find it hard to survive. They feel cold just as much as we do. So, besides giving them food and milk, we should also take care of other things, like we can wrap some warm cloth around them or some tiny sweaters so that they don't feel that cold. Or we can maybe place some warm sheets outside our houses so that they can come and have a good sleep without feeling the cold. This is obviously a very small thing to do, but if all of us can come together and do this, then surely we can make a difference.
Happy Republic Day. So the change I would want to see in India, or the change I would want to be for India, is to make people understand that how toxic social media can be. It's a great platform to help one another or to portray your talents, but at the same time we need to really understand that having expensive clothes and jewelry is not what life is all about. We need to be present for ourselves. We need ourselves to be happy and feel secure. It's not about the materialistic stuff, and the parents need to understand that everything on WhatsApp is not true.
I'm going to talk about education. Proper and good education is very important for all of us. It facilitates quality learning all through the life among people of any age group, caste, creed, religion, and region. It is the process of achieving knowledge, values, skills, beliefs, and moral habits. The most important thing is sharing is caring. By spreading our knowledge, we can help poor people who are actually not getting their knowledge. So we can help those people by sharing a part of knowledge.
Feed the hungry. Most petty crimes are committed because people need money to feed their family. But if each common man make it their responsibility to take care of single BPL family every month, then there will be no more hunger.
I wanted to suggest something that I've been trying to apply मेरी अपनी life में, and that is somewhere working with like thoda integrity and sensitivity. And even though this sounds very basic and ये सब चीज़ें जो हम बचपन से हम सीख रहे होते हैं घर में, स्कूल में, हर जगह, but I think these are the things that we forget जब it gets difficult, and we face a lot of challenges and ये सब values ऐसा sacrifice हो जाती हैं. But every now and then, I come across people who do follow these values, and it is so easy to just interact with them, चाहे वो काम हो या वो कुछ casual हो. It is so easy to just be with them, and I think when you live your life with integrity and sensitivity, you make other people's lives also so much more better, and you enrich their lives too, not just your own. So I think maybe this year I would like to remind myself and all people that you are India, the people around you are India, and if we incorporate these values in our life more often, if we are more sensitive in our everyday dealings, then I think our country and our society will be definitely better for it.
One thing we can change for a better India is to bring the same practical implementation of meditation and yoga and exercises to the normal domain skills that we are already learning, and also teaching us the literature that's so precious, that's being always talked about, but we don't know anything about it, our own scriptures. So I think if we add on that to our education, practical implementation of how we can actually implement that in today's time, that's one thing that's gonna be an amazing change.
Hello everyone. One suggestion that I want to give my attention to make India better is spitting. It's high time we as citizens look at this and take charge on it. First of all, during this COVID times, it's highly unhygienic to spit in open places, and it's a major contributor towards the rising cases. Moreover, it's highly disgusting to look at someone opening their walrus-like face mouth to spit in open public places. Also, it looks pretty unsocial. Say someone beside me is walking and spits for no reason, I would be like, no man, what are you doing? That's just gross. So we should make people aware regarding spitting in open places. We should make them understand that it's only our property that they are damaging. People need to be made aware of the risk of disease transfer. Moreover, we can record videos of people spitting to make them trending on social media campaigns, which might bring attention of our government on this matter as well.
One of the things that I feel really strongly about is that people talk about inclusion of persons with disabilities. However, we miss out the basic point in this inclusion, which is that we cannot interact with them. Why do we always need a translator to be able to talk to them? Because we are not aware of sign language. Sign language should be included in our education curriculum from the very beginning, so that we can make these people feel at home and we are able to interact with them and be friends with them. The second thing that I'd like to talk about is that there are a lot of myths about cats, and I don't know if these myths are true or not, but because of this thing, a lot of time these creatures are found injured and people do not even want to help them. I think we should reinstate this fact that they are living creatures, they feel the same kind of pain, and they also need the same love, attention that most of you give to your pets. Next time you find a street cat injured, please do not leave her or him alone and give them some love and take care of them.
There are two causes that I care the most about. The first one is for the people living in the old age homes. These people have been abandoned by their own families and they need a lot of care. So I would love to volunteer in any of such places taking care of the senior citizens of our country. I would also like to create awareness among people to devote their time at least once a month. They must visit such places and volunteer and be of service to these people. And the best thing I think we can give them is our time, because these people have been through all the ups and downs in life and they can guide us the best in our lives. The second thing that I would like to draw people's attention to is towards the children living in the orphanages. I have seen many people celebrate their children's birthday in orphanages and they feel that it is a very good and noble thing to do. On the contrary, I feel This makes these children feel hurt, and we are showing we have something that they do not have. Instead, I would like to encourage people to sponsor one child's birthday who is living in the orphanages and make their day special.
We are
The change
That India
Needs.
It's time
to take
responsibility.
Wish you
all
A very
Happy
72nd
Republic
day.
Day. We would like to thank everybody who readily agreed to be a part of this video and took out their time to give us their precious suggestions to make India a better country. We would be making more such videos in the future. If you want to be a part of such videos or you have any ideas for upcoming videos, you can mail us at our mail ID which is given in the description box below. Thank you and Happy Republic Day!